Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another lesson of calligraphy. What I want to do today is to bring all the skills that we've learnt so far together so that you can create a piece which you can be proud of. And what we're going to do is we're going to write Ar-Rahim, which by now inshallah you'll be able to you'll have practice enough and you'll be able to do easily. And we're going to do a page with borders and write Ar-Rahim in there. Now I'm going to do that without any lines on blank paper. You're going to do this on blank paper, but you're going to have to map it out properly, draw the guidelines 1 2 3 4 5 6, plan it all out. Okay, and the only thing I'm going to do is put a line down the center, so I know that that's kind of the center. Put a line here, and so my word is going to go here, and then a line going. You're going to obviously use a ruler, and so once you've mapped it all out and you've practiced this word Ar-Rahim loads of times and you're confident that you can write it, then I want you to write it. But before you do that, you want to put a border around your page. So again, we're going to use the same kind of skills. Now there are a few kinds of borders that you can do. You could do this border. What's wrong with my pen? You know how to do that. You know how to do the dots. Now you can do this border, but it'll take you a long time. So say that's the bottom of the page, then say if that's your page, then here going up like that, okay, and all the way around, and then you write Ar-Rahim in the middle. It'll look beautiful. That's a difficult, it's not difficult, but it's time consuming, but if you do it properly it'll look really nice. Consistency is the key. Make sure your dots are all aligned, not like mine, and they're all the same size, not like mine, that one's too big. So that these are all aligned and these are all aligned. So you do it like that, and do it with say for example, if you're going to write your calligraphy in blue ink, whatever, say for example you're writing in blue ink, then do the border in red. Contrasting colors that complement each other, complementary colors. So that's what you need to do. You'll go around there. That's one that you could do. Another border that you could do is again, now to do this you'll have to draw a line in pencil and a line above and below, so you know where the top's going to hit, where the bottom's going to go. And then you need to do that all the way around your page. Say for example that's your page going down, so here you'll just turn it round and then go. And so you carry on like that. Again, consistency is the key. Make sure the thickness of all of them is about the same. These, for me, these are the narrower than those, so that's not good. You need to keep it consistent. And if you come to a corner like this, then you can just fiddle around with it a little bit. Okay, that's border number 2. You could do this one or you could do this one. Another one that you could do is a more difficult one. Yeah, no, I've had a change of heart. We won't do that one. The third one that we'll do is this pen and have that going all the way around. You could also do something like this. Say for example, if your writing is going to be in blue, so then you've got red and green border. That might look really nice. Okay, so once you've done that, you've prepared your page with a border going all the way around, then you'll do your guidelines, and most important is you need to know where your letters, where your Ar-Rahim is going to start and where it's going to finish. Most times what happens is people don't measure that and they start writing, and then it's too much to one side or too much to the other side, or they run out of space. Right, so instead, that's why I drew the middle line and these two lines. So I'm telling myself that it needs to start about here and finish about here. Now you'd use a ruler, so you know, say for example that's 5 centimeters, so you need to measure here, that's 5 centimeters. Right, so it's going to start 5 centimeters in and it's going to end 5 centimeters in. And remember that when you've drawn your guidelines with a ruler and you've mapped them all out, you've measured them and everything, make sure that then the letters go according to that. So for example, this bit has to be on line 4, this bit has to be on line 3, so you don't get a lopsided thing. So to demonstrate that, let me demonstrate that, and I'll just speed up the video. I'm just going to do this very quickly on here. Okay, and I'll see you next time, inshallah.
मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला 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 ये भटके मुसाफिर की है एक सदा, मैं मौला मुझे अपने दर पर बुला। गुनाहगार इंसान हूँ किस कदर, मेरे मौला फिर भी हूँ बंदा।